Frog walks aren't just some silly exercise you see kids doing at recess. They're one of the most powerful movements that can completely transform how your body feels and moves. Most people think frog walks look ridiculous and avoid them, but I'm going to show you why this simple exercise might be the missing piece in your quest for pain-free movement and healthy aging. The first thing that happens when you start doing frog walks, your hips unlock in ways you haven't felt in decades. This might not sound exciting, but tight hips are the root cause of more problems than most people realize. When your hips don't move properly, everything else in your body has to compensate, leading to knee pain, lower back pain, and that stiff, awkward feeling that makes you feel older than you are. Your hips are designed to be mobile powerhouses, but modern life has turned them into rusty hinges. Hours of sitting every day creates tight hip muscles that pull on your lower back and change how you walk. Poor hip mobility is one of the biggest factors in fall prevention problems as we age, because when your hips are stiff, your balance and coordination suffer dramatically. Frog walks force your hips to move in directions they rarely experience anymore. What looks like just an awkward way to move across the floor actually starts a complete transformation in how your entire lower body works. And you'll see one of the biggest shifts your body will have later on in this video. But let's talk about something that affects almost everyone. As we age, the gradual loss of deep squatting ability. Think back to when you were a child. You could squat down fully, stay there comfortably, and pop back up without using your hands. Most adults have completely lost this fundamental human movement pattern, and it's costing them dearly in terms of joint health and functional movement. Frog walks bring back this lost ability in the most natural way possible. The exercise requires you to squat down into a deep position and then move forward while staying low. Your ankle joints have to bend deeply, your knees have to track properly, and your hips have to open up in ways that most people haven't experienced in years. This deep squatting motion is incredibly important for maintaining joint health as we age. It keeps your knees, hips, and ankles moving through their full range of motion, which helps prevent the stiffness and arthritis that comes from only using small portions of your joint movement. Regular practice of these deep positions can actually help with arthritis relief by keeping your joints lubricated and mobile. The beauty of frog walks is that they make this challenging position dynamic instead of static. You're not just sitting in a deep squat, you're moving through it, which builds strength in those deep ranges of motion. This creates stability and control in positions where most people feel weak and vulnerable. Once your hips and legs start remembering how to move properly, something incredible happens to your core strength. Traditional ab exercises work your surface muscles, but frog walks engage your deep core in a way that actually protects your spine during real-world movements. In the frog walk position, your core has to work constantly to keep you stable while you move. Your deep abdominal muscles fire automatically to prevent you from falling over sideways or losing control of the movement. These are the same muscles that need to work when you're bending over to pick something up, twisting to reach behind you, or doing any activity that challenges your balance. This type of functional core strength is what keeps your back healthy and pain-free as you age. Instead of just making your abs look good, frog walks build the kind of core stability that actually matters for maintaining an active lifestyle and preventing lower back pain during daily activities. The exercise also challenges your balance and coordination in ways that directly translate to better stability in everyday life. Every step requires you to shift your weight while maintaining a challenging position. Your nervous system has to work overtime to keep you stable, which improves your overall balance and reduces your risk of falls. Now, before I reveal the most surprising benefit of frog walks, let me mention that this exercise works best as part of a complete movement practice. If you want to maintain your mobility and independence well into your golden years, you need a variety of movements that address all the ways your body was designed to move. Here's something most people don't expect from frog walks. They're incredible for building leg strength in ranges of motion that most exercises completely ignore. Your quadriceps, glutes, and calf muscles all have to work in stretched positions, which creates a type of strength that's incredibly valuable for real-world activities. Think about getting up from a low chair, climbing stairs, or even just standing up from the ground. All of these activities require strength in deep ranges of motion that frog walks specifically target. This makes daily activities feel easier and helps maintain your independent living as you get older. The exercise also improves circulation in your lower body in a unique way. The deep squatting position helps boost circulation to your legs and feet, while the movement keeps blood flowing efficiently. This can help with issues like poor circulation that become more common as we age. Frog walks are also surprisingly effective for improving flexibility without the boring stretching routines that most people hate. The movement naturally stretches your hip flexors, calves, and ankles while simultaneously strengthening them. This combination of strength and flexibility is what creates lasting improvements in your range of motion. Your mental toughness gets a boost too. There's something uniquely challenging about frog walks that goes beyond just the physical difficulty. The exercise requires you to get comfortable in an unfamiliar position and move in a way that might feel awkward at first. Pushing through this discomfort builds confidence and mental resilience. When you're 30 seconds into a set of frog walks and your legs are burning, your balance is challenged, and your mind wants to quit, but you keep going anyway, that's building the kind of mental strength that carries over into other areas of your life. This exercise teaches you that you're capable of more than you think. The coordination benefits are also remarkable. Frog walks require you to coordinate your arms and legs in a specific pattern while maintaining balance and control. This type of complex movement stimulates your brain and helps maintain the mind-body connection that's so important for healthy aging. Regular practice of coordinated movements like frog walks can actually help keep your brain sharp and responsive. The challenge of learning and maintaining proper form engages both your physical and mental systems, which is important for overall wellness as we age. Let me help you avoid the common mistakes that prevent people from getting the full benefits of this exercise and might even cause problems. The biggest mistake is not going deep enough into the squat position. Many people try to make the exercise easier by staying higher up, but this completely defeats the purpose. You want to get your hips as close to your heels as possible while keeping your feet flat on the ground. This deep position is where all the magic happens. Another common error is moving too quickly. Frog walks should be slow and controlled, not rushed. The deliberate pace allows you to maintain proper form and actually challenges your muscles more effectively. Speed comes naturally as you get more comfortable with the movement. Don't let your knees cave inward during the movement. This puts unnecessary stress on your knee joints and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Keep your knees tracking in line with your toes throughout the entire movement. This proper alignment is crucial for injury prevention. Finally, remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise. It's easy to hold your breath when you're concentrating on the challenging position, but proper breathing helps you stay relaxed and maintain the movement longer. For beginners, start with just 3 to 5 steps forward, focusing on getting comfortable with the movement pattern rather than distance or speed. Do this for 2 sets with plenty of rest between sets. The key is to master the basic position before worrying about how far you can go. Once you feel comfortable with the basic movement, you can increase to 8 to 10 steps per set and add a 3rd set. You can also start practicing moving backward or side to side to challenge your body in different ways. Intermediate practitioners can work up to 30 to 45 seconds of continuous frog walking or focus on covering specific distances. You can also add variations like single leg frog walks or holding light weights to increase the challenge. Remember, this isn't about how fast you can go or how far you can travel. It's about rebuilding fundamental movement patterns that help you maintain mobility, strength, and confidence in your body as you age. For those dealing with knee pain or mobility issues, start even more conservatively and focus on just getting into the deep squat position without moving forward. Build up your comfort and strength in this position before adding the walking component. The goal is to progressively challenge your body while respecting your current limitations. Consistency is much more important than intensity when it comes to movements like frog walks that are designed to improve your long-term health and function. Frog walks might look unusual, but they address some of the most common movement problems that affect people as they age. Poor hip mobility, weak, deep ranges of motion, balance issues, and lack of coordination all improve with regular practice of this simple but powerful exercise. The beauty of frog walks is that they're completely scalable and require no equipment. You can do them in your living room, backyard, or anywhere you have a few feet of space. They're also incredibly time efficient. Just a few minutes, a few times per week, can make a significant difference in how you feel and move. Most importantly, frog walks help you maintain the kind of movement freedom that keeps you feeling young and capable. When you can comfortably get down low and move around on the ground, you feel more confident and less limited by your body. Be sure to share this video with a friend who you think needs it.